So hello guys, I had to book an Uber today to our DesiQN head office, but I am delaying the journey by 1 hour because shooting this video is very important task for me. Because I have received like thousands and thousands of messages on my LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and personal community Telegram groups telling me that so many students have their Uber online assessment on 6th of October. Okay, so this video is not going to be just for them. This video is going to help all the people who will be having their upcoming Uber online assessment where hard unseen DSA problems are asked for SDE Intern role, SDE-1 role, and SDE-2 role. And this video will be valid for 2025 as well as 2026. So now let's head over to the most important document. The link to this document roadmap will be in the description. Make sure you do it thoroughly, and then your chances to crack the Uber OA will be the highest. Ram Ram. So let's start. So guys, this document is very important. Okay. See, first thing I will happily mention that my student from tier 3 tier 4 college has cracked off campus offer from Google. So congratulations to her. Next thing is that, see, this is the best free warm up course for DSA plus OA plus CP preparation. Okay, for each of the topics and the difficult patterns of DSA OA CP, very nice warm up videos have been made. You can see Amazon OA videos here, then you can see Uber OA, Google SD3 interview videos here of all the topics. Okay, and guys, I have taught things in such a manner that person learns how to think for hard new unseen problems. Okay, doing standard problems is not enough. You know that if you only do love bubber sheet, striver sheet, and you do the 200 to 500 standard questions, okay, or easy medium lead code GFG problems, if you do things like that, you know that you will not be able to crack Amazon OA, Uber OA, or any type of Fang MOA. Those companies ask you hard unseen DSA problems in their OAs and as well as the interviews also these days. Earlier the interviews were just based on standard questions, but now the trends are changing. Okay. So please do the free warm-up course of 51 hours. If you are an intermediate level DSA coder and if you do it, I can say that at least in 30 to 40% of online assessments, you will stop feeling the problem and you will at least have the base fundamental knowledge to tackle that question. Or if someone explains you the solution, you will know, you will understand, you will be at a position where you understand the solution, you will know basically how to think. That's the main motto of my course, my training, and this my YouTube channel, that my student learns how to think for the hard and unseen DSA problems. Because if they do DSA well, they will do the dev and system design part also very well. Okay, so now see, no other YouTuber or influencer is going to sit with you and going to analyze the previous 50 Uber OA problems. Okay, I have a long list of 100 to 200 Uber online assessment problems which have been asked in 2022, 2023, 2024, and even in 2025 few months back. In August also Uber OA had happened, right? So I am going to analyze all of them in this video. So you will exactly know from which topics Uber likes to ask the problems, first of all. And second, I will give my final predictions on what problems are going to come up in your Uber online assessment. Okay. So the most important thing about Uber online assessment you need to know is that generally, they ask you 2 to 3 coding problems, be it an on-campus Uber online assessment or off-campus Uber online assessment. They ask you 2 to 3 problems, and the time duration is 1 hour to 1.5 hour. In max cases, it can be 2 hour, but generally it's not 2 hour. It's 1 or 1.5. That's it. You have to solve 2 to 3 hard unseen DSA problems in that time frame. Okay, so let's analyze all the previous year Uber OA questions and let's try to form some strong conclusion for that. Okay, so now let's head over to the document. Ram Ram. So yeah, and yeah, it's 8 a.m. In the morning in Mumbai. So I really wanted to chillax and relax, but I cannot do that because making this video is very important. Okay, so let's yeah. Okay, guys, see. Many students are giving Uber OA in 2025. Stay away from influencer DSA sheets as they consist of easy standard DSA problems, which is not at all enough for cracking hard unseen DSA problems of OA of top tech Fangam companies. Indulge yourself in OA plus CP training and lots of practice to be done for hard unseen DSA questions of specific topics of OA plus CP. And yes, guys, one more thing. If you want, you know, beginner to advanced level daily life DSA training where Fangam interview questions are discussed, daily Fangam OA questions are discussed, and all the lead code forces contest solutions are discussed. 24/7 doubt support is given. 851 hour structured course is there for the SOECP, and you want one-to-one mentoring by me, where you get to talk to me for 1 hour, okay, on each weekend. And if you want job referrals of the top tech companies, you can check out our October code details. The link is given in the document. Now, guys, going to the Uber OA, these link is very very important, guys. Okay, this link has the set of all the Uber OA questions which were asked in 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. Okay, so let's go through this link now. Okay, yeah, so guys, if I open this link, you should also open this link, and I will recommend you people to solve each and every question from this link, guys. It will really help you a lot. So please go through each question in this link. So these are all the questions, guys, you can see. So let's start analyzing each of them. Okay, so the first question, yeah, Uber OA video solution, guys. I have made like 5 to 10 Uber OA video solutions in 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. Okay, for the YouTube community. In my course, there must be 50 plus Uber OA video solutions, but for the YouTube community, 5 to 10 videos are there. I have mentioned the links in this document. Please watch those videos and understand what type of questions Uber asks and prepare nicely. Okay, so yeah. So guys, please make sure that you go through this Uber OA video solution. It will really, really help you a lot. Okay, go through it. Go through it. It will really, really help you a lot. Okay.
DP000, DP111000.
So now the first question which they asked was based on hard tree plus dynamic programming. Okay. So a hard tree plus DP problem was asked, and this was the exact question. That given a tree, find the number of pairs of vertices such that there exists exactly one vertex which is prime number on the path from I to J. Okay. So guys, hard tree plus dynamic programming problem was asked, and it is not just a normal tree DP problem. You have to use a multi-dimensional DP states on each node. You have to do some difficult level observations, and then you will get to the answer. So that's the insight which we get from one of the questions. Now let's look at the other question. The other question which was asked was multi-dimensional dynamic programming. Okay, okay, okay. So a multi-dimensional DP problem was asked. Three-dimensional DP. Oh my god. So in the past, a three-dimensional DP problem has been asked by Uber in their online assessment. Now, let's check next thing. Again, 3DP problem. So guys, this problem was like asked in August. Like manager uploaded it and they uploaded it on October 1, but this problem was asked in August. Okay. So guys, this problem was asked in August. A tree dynamic programming problem. You can see here. Now, can you get the hint which topics Uber is asking again and again? You can get the hint now, right? Anyways, so next problem was based on inversion concept. So see guys, when I say 3D PINA, that does not mean binary tree or BST, okay? That's what you do in standard DSA sheets. In OA and CP, they generally give you a problem which is based on general trees, okay? A node can have any number of children, okay? You don't have to use pointers. You have to use adjacency list for the BFS, DFS, and bottom up DFS, which we do in tree dynamic programming and things like that. And if you don't know these topics, don't worry. I have made a very good tree videos here. You just watch these 5 videos and you'll become very very strong for general trees in DSA OACP. So make sure you do them and keep enjoying. Next thing is that four-dimensional dynamic programming was asked, guys. This problem was also asked. This was asked in 2024. Four-dimensional dynamic programming of the Uber online assessment. अब तक तो आपको आइडिया लगी गई होगी कौन सा टॉपिक बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है, ठीक है? अब इतने स्मार्ट तो हो ही. Okay, so next, a very hard prefix sum concept. This was asked in 2025 August. Very hard prefix sum concept hashing maths formula mix problem. This one, okay? It's a solution doc link also. We will give it to you. So guys, what does this mean? One thing is for sure that one problem will be there which will involve mathematics, or slash and hashing, or slash and prefix suffix, and the deep analysis of this on some array based problem. It can be either mixed in some other concept, or it can be purely asked as a hashing prefix suffix mathematical formula based problem. So one will be there for sure. So make sure you master that topic, and that is the actually the most easiest topic to master if you are putting your full focus and attention. Okay. In some cases might not be the easiest, but still it is compared to graph and DP in general for most of the people. Now, a hard graph problem was also asked. This problem was asked in, by the way, guys, August, huh? This was asked in August. This August only. Now let's go. Yeah, hard graph problem was asked. Okay, a graph problem was asked in August. Okay, okay, of Uber way. Okay, fine. Then let's check this. Okay, so again a hard graph problem was asked. Okay, fine. Then a hard binary search problem. Okay, okay, okay. This was asked in June. So guys, a very difficult problem was asked, but it is not difficult if you know the binary search type problems which are asked in OA and CP. Okay. So for that also you can do my prerequisite course, and if you are my course student, then there are like 100 plus binary search OA and CP videos and questions and solutions. Just go through them; it will become very strong. Okay. So a very good binary search problem was asked. We can see that. Next thing let's check is hard greedy problem was asked. In greedy, please focus on these things people don't even know. You are not supposed to just do standard greedy algorithms and then forget about it from the popular DSA sheets. No, that's not enough. For ONCP, you need to learn about the mathematical formula and mathematical exchange argument lemma, how to make the formulas and how do these things operate. Those things you need to understand for ONCP. Okay, and in the interview also it is needed sometimes. Okay, and in ONCP, greedy exchange, mathematical exchange argument lemma, please do not ignore that. Please fully focus on that. Okay, so now let's go to the yeah. Partition DP. This problem can be solved via partition DP. It looks or binary search. Like I have not fully analyzed it, but I remember as per the constraints, it will be solved with partition DP. See, guys, partition DP generally see one-dimensional DP problem will not be asked to you in Uber. It will be 2D DP problem, 3D or 4D DP problem. That's it. Now in the DP also there are multiple variations. Knapsack one, then partition DP, then Savary DP. Partition DP, Savary DP you might not have even heard because these are not existing in the standard DSA sheets. So the partition DP and knapsack DP with multidimensional DP, first you need to know how to make their states, how to understand, how to do observations, how to write the formulas. Then the next step is that sometimes you will have to do the optimization. Okay, like in 80 to 50% cases, let's pray to God that you don't have to do optimization. But then even after writing the correct multidimensional DP solution, sometimes you have to do the optimization. So for the optimization, you will either have to reduce one for loop in the nested for loop of the whole structure of the dynamic programming code, or you will have to reduce one state. Generally, it's reducing one state, and reducing one state will also require reducing one for loop. So time complexity can go from n cube to n square, okay, or n square to O of n. Like generally, whatever we want, we need to be very focused on it. Okay, so partition DP, knapsack DP mixed with multidimensional DP, you should always do. Next thing, let's check again. Yeah, guys, see, a hard greedy plus graph plus matrix problem was asked. Okay, so yeah, and let's check few more things. Try plus string problem was also asked. Okay, okay, good, 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 nice, great, 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 great. A hard greedy plus DP problem was also asked. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, fine. And yeah, this is a very good greedy problem. This is a DP problem. Okay, and again a hashing plus prefix questions. I hope guys you're getting the best idea that for Uber online assessment, which type of topics are getting repeated, and you should study those topics again and again. It will really, really help you a lot. Ram Ram. Okay. See, every ingoing and outgoing breath, you need to chant the name of God Ram Ram like this. So you can reach moksha. Okay, and you stay close to God. Now, guys, see, this is a very good hashing prefix suffix problem. I think this is in the prerequisite course also. If it is not there, I'll make sure I add its video, okay, for you people. Like by tomorrow maybe or by today night. Then guys, hard maths and combinatorics is also asked by Uber, okay. We can see here it's a hard maths plus combinatorics problem. You have to make up the formula by observing the array. So Uber always asks DP plus binary search plus greedy a lot. So complete 120 plus sessions of dynamic programming from our 851 hour course, 100 plus sessions of greedy, and all sessions of binary search for great result from 851 hour hard level DSA plus OA plus CP course of yours. Okay, that's it. Uber OA questions recently asked. It is available in our daily DSA sheet. So if you are part of my day life training cohort, please know that I keep on absolving this Uber OA, Amazon OA, whichever are the recently asked questions on a daily basis, because these questions appear again in next few weeks or next few months. So my students get the extra benefit. So one of that document I've given to you people also, the YouTube community. So use it properly. Okay. Next, yeah, this document. See the question which I showed you of hashing prefix suffix. Here is its solution. This was the question. This was the question. You remember hashing? No, not this. This one. No, not even this one. Yeah, the one is this. This is a hard hashing prefix plus heap problem, right? This is also a very nice problem. Priority queue basically have to use, but this problem I showed you in the past. This is the document of its solution with its code. Okay. Next, there are so many problems like many more Uber OA questions you can find here. Of the Reddit links also I've included. Okay, clear. Shitty guys couldn't handle traffic. I was unable to even start my assessment. Reddit is very fun. Okay, they make very fun comments. No matter what is the topic, even on Uber online assessment, the things are really fun. So, yeah, if you're my course student, do Control plus F Uber OA in the sheet, and you will get all the Uber OA video solutions and the questions. Guys, do all the Uber OA questions from this link also of the lead code discuss. Many more questions you will find out. See, I'll try to show you more. See, this question also came in Uber OA. You can go through it. Okay, it's a very nice problem. You will really enjoy it. Next thing is that Uber OA graph question. Okay, so this is also a very important question. You can see a very good hard graph question was asked. Such a nice thing, man. BFS, DFS. Then this problem was asked in Uber interview also. Okay, one of my students was giving Uber interview as far as I remember. Then more Uber OA questions you can find it on this website as well. Okay, clear. So see guys, we have done all the predictions. Now it's my final guidance for the YouTube community student. Okay, if you are my YouTube community student, no need to worry. I am with you. What you have to do is, first thing is you please complete this prerequisite course. Without this, you cannot crack any kind of OA these days. This is the best warm-up DSA OACP course to crack the OA. Please do it, please do it, please do it till the end. Okay, clear. Let's assume you have completed it. Now what to do? Now what to do, I'm going to explain you. Now guys, you will go to my YouTube playlist of dynamic programming. All variations of DP are not available in my dynamic programming playlist, but 80% variations are there. There are 52 videos of dynamic programming made on hard level DSO ECP on my YouTube channel. Please watch them. If you're my course student, there are 250 videos in the course. Watch them. If you're YouTube community student, there are 52 videos. Stop relaxing. Stop doing the standard dynamic programming questions again and again. Do dynamic programming of hard level, and trust me, I will make you fall in love with dynamic programming. Many people who have watched my DP videos, they are in love with it because I never complicate the things with recursion, memoization, and things like that. Just go and watch it one time. At least watch the first 3 videos. You will start loving dynamic programming. Okay, so you should watch all the videos of my dynamic programming playlist. I will attach its link here. Okay, it's freely available for all of you. Next thing is that greedy playlist also you should do, binary search playlist also, and maths playlist also. Why I'm saying maths? Because many times you will have to make up some mathematical formulas, or you'll have to do some mathematical type of analysis. So for that thing, doing math is very like math based on OA and CP type of math you need to do. So for that also, it is available in the prerequisite course, and extra videos are there in our YouTube channel playlist. I will attach the link for each one of them in this document. So you don't worry, I love you. Now, if you're a course student, obviously we will do 100 plus sessions on each of the topics above. Guys, these are my final predictions. Okay, predictions. See guys, Q1 will be based on what? First question will be based on what? First question will be based on like the order can be anything. One of the questions or the first question will be based on tree dynamic programming or multi-dimensional dynamic programming, where knapsack, partition DP or something will be used, and optimization might be required. like convex hull optimization. That much difficult optimization will not be required, but some type of optimization will be required. Okay, so that's my prediction. That first question is going to be of 3DP or and multi-dimensional DP, because Uber just loves it. I can see it from the way they, multi-dimensional DP and or knapsack, DP, partition DP, and then sub-array one, and optimization might be required. Okay. Now, guys, what is the prediction for the second problem? Guys, the prediction for the second problem is also very very easy. Okay. See, for the second problem, either the problem will involve hard level hashing, prefix, suffix, math formulas, or it will mix it those concepts with binary search or a purely binary search problem. Those are my predictions for that. So hard. Okay, let's write here prefix, suffix. Okay, hashing plus prefix suffix plus math formula. You will have to use there plus slash or binary search. Okay, or greedy also we should add. All can be mixed, guys. You are understanding what I'm trying to say, right? And guys, please don't try to cheat. If you try to cheat, the detectors are very very strong. Even if you do everything perfect, they are catching you these days very very easily. So try to understand, like try to come up with the solution yourself. And if you, let's say, get the solution somehow, try to think on your own on how to implement it. Don't copy paste the code in any way, because if you do anything like that, then your result will not come. These days the detectors are very very strong. That's why. Clear? Now this thing is done. Q3, like I have made separate videos to explain how the detectors of OA are very strong. They even check your eye movements, face movements, camera is also on, every kind of button is disabled, you cannot go through next tab and things like that. So just try to focus on your OA and try to pass it legally. And you please know one more thing, that if you solve all the questions very quick, then also you come under the detection radar. So better be careful, try to do things legally. Okay, why am I getting so many student selections? Not because they are passing all the OA questions, they are passing like 2.5 out of 3 questions, but they are doing things legally in their on campus placement, in their off campus placement, which leads to simple selections. Okay, and in interview, what you will do? Do you know Uber asks such hard dynamic programming and graph problems in their interview, face to face? What will you do there? So do things legally, live a legal life, stay happy life. Okay. So next thing, third, my prediction is that it will be based on maths or combinatorics, and it can be mixed with graph. And apart from graph, I should say, like string and try is also mixed a lot, right? Like string and try. Okay, string and try. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. And or try or string. Let me write here prefix suffix plus hashing. Okay, great. Also, guys, on weekends I give free live training as well. So its link will also be given in the description. Join that group to stay connected with me. And whenever you face any problems, you can write it in the comment, or you can personally message me on WhatsApp as well. So hopefully you found lots of value in this video. And now I need to, book the Uber and need to go there. Okay, so ram ram.